Come on. Good job. But can you come to, instead of the pillow, can you come to the kitchen? No, you're too tired. Come on. Let's come this way. Let's go get some more Cheerios in the kitchen. Come on. Come on. Come on. Zach, come on. Can you stand up? Zach, come into Mama. Come walk. Walk this way. Come here. Come here. Come walk to Mama. Zach. Come on. Come on. Come get it. Good boy. Come up. Come this way. Come on. Good job. You're doing it. Up. Come on. Come on. Okay.